Amia Residences is a truly stunning development. It offers a tranquil setting, yet it's conveniently located near schools, hospitals, shopping centers, etc. Imagine waking up to the sound of nature while still having easy access to everything you need.
Amia Residences diri sa Maypuan mga boss, ang pinaka-perfect na lote na pwede nimong kuhaon. Just take a look around. Imagine na, dili nimo itukod ang imong dream home kauban nimong family. Doon lang sa mga supermarkets, malls, and mga public laaganan diri sa Davao City. Napod ni sa mga amenities, pakita na ko sa inyo niya. Imagine na lang, dili nimo itukod imong dream house together with your family. Amia Residences.
As you can see, the lot is flat and is ready for you to build your dream home. The soil seems fertile, well drained. Imagine the possibilities. You can design a home that perfectly suits your lifestyle and preferences. Whether you envision a modern minimalist design, a cozy family home, or a luxurious retreat, this lot provides perfect canvas.
Kung taga Davao ka, nangita ka og lote na barato na doon sa syudad, ang Amia Residences ang bagay sa inyo mga boss. Ang kaning diri sa tulikod, isa na sa mga amenities na pwede nila ma-offer sa inyo. Reserve na sa inyong lote diri sa Amia Residences.
Davao City offers a vibrant and welcoming atmosphere with stunning natural beauty and a thriving community. This lot in Amia Residences allows you to experience the best of both worlds. Peaceful suburban living with easy access to the city's amenities.
Moni ang ilahang clubhouse o ang ilang mga amenities na naadis sa Amia Residences. You can enjoy all of this if you have a property here in Amia Residences. Isa lang kalote, minimum na sa mga 200 square meter yung lot area. Ma-enjoy na ni Moni nga ni kanindot na amenities dahil sa Amia. Naka-decide na mo kumukuha ang lote di sa Amia Residences? Dali lang kayo. I-contact lang ko ninyo. Anytime. Inyong ahenteng Binisaya di sa Davao City. Jerson Aspe. Contact lang mga boss. Tara, ito ng istoryahan inyong lote di sa Amia.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more property updates and Davao City adventures. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.